Hey, it's Mike with Carbonize This. Today we're going to run some citrus fruit through our carbonizer. We've got grapefruit, clementine, lemons, and limes. And these fruits are in a basket made by one of my daughters, and she made it out of the vines from a birdhouse gourd plant. Before we load these up, we're going to cut one of the limes in half, and then we're going to puncture the rest of these so they don't explode in the retort. We'll load these into the retort. I'm going to put this grate on for another experiment. We've sealed up the small barrel and then we loaded it inside the larger barrel. Now we'll put pieces of wood between the two. Fire's going well enough, we can go ahead and put the chimney on. Time to see how the citrus fruit did. That looks amazing. So we've got the basket with the fruit in it, but two things we're noticing right away is there's like a puddle over here. This is likely the fruit juice that carbonized, and that's the sugar from the fruit juice. Then on the other side of the tray, we've got pieces of popcorn, and that was from another experiment. Look at the texture on that lemon. We're gonna pull the lemons out first. Light as a feather. It's almost like a little plastic golf ball. We've got the lime that was cut in half here, and then the whole lime. We've got the clementine. We're gonna pull the grapefruit out. It's stuck to the bottom of the basket, and it's a little heavy. I don't think it carbonized completely. So we've got the limes over here. This is the whole lime and the halves, and they're very, very light, and they feel like they've carbonized completely. We've got the clementine up front. It's got all of them have bumpy textures. This one is a little bit smaller, a little bit smoother bumps. And then this lemon turned out really cool. We've got a whole lemon and half of a lemon, and the texture is really standing out on the lemon. And they're all very, very light. I wish you guys could feel how light this is. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's a little bit hollow. We'll do the same thing with this half of the lime, but it's got some silver highlights here and a little bit of blue color down there. Let's see if I can crush these. Let's see if I can smash the grapefruit. Oh, it is not carbonized completely through. Those are cool color contrasts there. You got the bright color from the grapefruit, and then you've got the carbon. So obviously it did not carbonize completely, and that's likely due to the high moisture content of the grapefruit, but we did get a nice crisp peel. So we would have to dry this out ahead of time or run it for a lot longer. So the peel is nice and crisp. It's the shiny part, and you've got the membrane on the inside that carbonized, but it stopped shortly after that once it got to the fleshy part. This is the sugar from the fruit juice that escaped. And then we've got the beautiful basket that my daughter made. So the hole is where the grapefruit stuck to it, and then you can see a lot of the juices escaped, and you've got these shiny parts from the sugar and a little bit of bronze color in here. Oh, look at that, it's purple. That's just like the birdhouse gourds. Let's see what it sounds like when we break just one piece. Time to crush it up. Look like veggie straws. So that's what happens when you carbonize citrus fruit. We actually had a subscriber suggest this item, and so we were happy to do it for them. If you have any ideas, put them in the comments below, and we'll see if we can do it in the next video. See you next time.